Is this thing recording?
Okay, I guess it is. Okay.
Oh, I just want to tell you all about China. Teach you some things that they invented, such as gunpowder, such as gunpowder, yeah. Gunpowder was an important topic. It changed wars and made fireworks. Tell me more, tell me more, yeah. And compasses, directed the ships to important places, yeah. So tell me it's still stronger than iron, and it made armor. Paper was also invented. Yeah. Wood block printing was an important process. People say yeah, and they made books too. Oh, don't you know there's worship inventions? Rudders and sails, a lot of ships to sail. Farther from land, yeah. Hey, do you remember gunpowder was an important topic, and it changed wars and made fireworks? Should I tell you more, tell you more, yeah. Like I said, compasses directed the ships, yeah. And steel is stronger than iron, and it made armor. We made paper was also invented. Yeah. Wood block printing was an important process. People say yeah, it helps. Yeah, and it made books too. Nah. So tell me again if steel is stronger than iron, and it made armor. Yes, I've said it too many times. But I still want to know about China. We've told you most things. Yeah. Okay, I get it. I understand how. Thanks for telling me. Thank you. China was very interesting. They made steel, gunpowder, and they made books too.